Hey, all my Scruff fans, this is Nathan, aka Scruffybeard, and welcome to Fast Talk, the show where I cover new foods that come out. And today we will be covering, in a long tradition of drinks that I cover, Sprite Ginger. Now, I saw this on Facebook last night, and I was like, oh, let's go see if it's out. You can get this at most gas stations. I haven't seen it in Walmart yet, but I saw it at Thornton's and Speedway. It's lemon lime with ginger. And it's one thing I have to commend Sprite for is that they can keep all the products one color. Coke, any other Cokes, it's similar color. The diets are slight lighter, while the cherry is a little redder. Dr. Pepper is pretty close. Yeah, Dr. Pepper is one of the other ones. Pepsi, it's the same. Like, they had that salted caramel. It was a little lighter. That stuff was good. But yeah, let's check this out. And I do have a comparison taste test with Ale 8. Now, let's try the Ale 8. That's probably just ginger soda, so I should have gotten Canada Dry, but I couldn't find any. Wash it down. It's probably not even ginger ale, it's like more of a ginger soda. It's not bad. It's got more of a carbonated water taste. But maybe they'll fix that. You know, sometimes the first few taste a little off. But yeah. It's not bad by any means. Yeah, that's really good. Like the vodka soda. It's base. Yeah. That's actually not that bad. I actually really enjoy that. I wish it was just ginger, because I think the lemon kind of kills it. Lemon kind of kills a lot of things. I kind of wish instead of the green bottle, it was all that coppery color and then the green. It would have looked a lot nicer. But I do like that. Still, I don't like I like the Sprite logo. I don't like the coppery part of it, like on the edge. Well, they could have just gone Sprite new, because I don't think they do that with the tropical mix or the regular or anything like that. But still, all in all, not a bad soda. Really enjoy it. Go check it out. It's at Thornton's, that Speedway, probably at your other local gas stations. I will have a link down in the description for the actual Sprite store. It'll have a locator there. You can check it out. Just punch in your zip code. Check us out on social media at Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, at SourceWall Media Official, and all of that. I'll have a link down in the description for all that junk. And then I'll have a link to the playlist for all my other Fast Talk stuff. Y'all have a great rest of your Thursday.